Hi, my name is Richard, and today we'll be looking at one of our most versatile commuters, the Rize. The Rize is a fully loaded e-bike featuring everything riders demand from a commuter e-bike. The Rize is available in 3 eye-catching colors: matte black, brushed gray, and gloss red. The step-over frame is made from 6061 aluminum alloy, making it highly resistant to stress and corrosion. On top of that, all Rize bikes have a water resistance rating of IP65, making it perfect for riding in all types of weather conditions. We're introducing for the very first time a fully integrated battery that attaches inside the down tube. It is now able to accommodate a secondary battery on top of the down tube to double your range. The controller, wiring, and vital electronics are sealed and protected from all the elements for added durability. Thanks to the advanced frame design, it has truly become one of the most rugged yet comfortable, industry-leading commuter e-bikes. Our engineers at Rize redesigned the Rize with a focus on versatility and comfort. For added agility and stability, we paired the Rize with flat handlebars. They are highly adjustable to fit a variety of positions the rider finds most comfortable. The lockable front suspension and cell rail spring cushion seat, loaded with 2 springs and thick seat tube, also help to keep the rider comfortable on the most bumpiest terrains. The 2.1-inch wide tires provide the rider with the perfect amount of grip and road dampening effects. Thanks to the included fenders, you'll be able to stay clean from mud, dirt, and water. Removing and installing the battery has never been this easy thanks to the all-new frame design. The battery is securely locked and can be unlocked with the provided keys. We've also included a quick release axle so you can easily remove the front wheel for transportation purposes. To meet the needs of a commuter, we've included a rear rack to carry cargo conveniently. Rest assured, no matter where you ride, the Rize will keep you comfortable and provide the convenience you need on your daily rides. You may be asking, what about the performance? The Rize features a premium Samsung 21700 50E cell battery, which has a whopping 720 watt-hour of capacity. The high-performance 48-volt 15 amp-hour battery ensures the motor will receive the juice it needs to be running at peak performance. For riders who need extreme range, a secondary battery can be added, and thanks to the built-in port, it's a simple plug-and-play solution. Combined with the industry-leading Bafang 500-watt motor that puts out 65 Nm of torque, our riders can expect amazing range and power to tackle various riding conditions. Unleash the full power of the motor with the included throttle without any pedaling required. On days you need a workout, adjust from pedal assist levels 0 to 7 to dial in the exact assistance desired. Our advanced torque sensor delivers the power seamlessly to provide a highly responsive ride. Unlike traditional cadence sensors, torque sensors offer a smooth pedaling experience alongside increased efficiency on a full-size bike. The tried and true 7-speed Shimano Acera rear derailleur offers the perfect range of gears to tackle hills or to hit the top speeds. Changing gears is crisp and efficient, even with the ability to double or triple shift gears thanks to the Shimano Rapid Shifter. Safety has always been a priority when engineering our bikes. Tektro hydraulic brake disc with ceramic brake pads comes standard on the Rize that offers the control and stopping power required on e-bikes. Brake inhibitors also come standard that cut off the motor when the brakes are applied for an extra sense of security. Super bright front and rear LED lights are included to keep the rider safe from dusk till dawn. The taillight has 2 options, solid or flashing. We've also included a safety feature to illuminate the rear LED as you apply the brakes. Kenda tires with K-Shield puncture resistance offers the protection you need when riding through variable terrain. The Rize was designed with thoughtful features our riders demanded. With a heavy emphasis on comfort and utility, it has truly become the ultimate commuter. If you have any questions about the Rize, don't hesitate to contact our in-house e-bike experts. Rize on!